Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Quantower DOM. The depth of market, or DOM, is a price ladder that shows live bids and offers at different price levels, making it ideal for fast order entry and precise trade management. In this walkthrough, we'll open Quantower, access the DOM panel, choose a symbol, and place orders using simple mouse actions. Start by opening Quantower on your computer. Give it a moment to load so all workspaces and connections initialize properly. If you use multiple connections or a demo feed, make sure your data is active so the DOM can display live prices. Once Quantower is open, move to the top left corner and click the Quantower logo. This opens the main menu where you can quickly find tools, panels, and workspaces. Using the menu is the fastest way to access specific modules without navigating through several windows. In the menu search bar, type DOM. As you type, Quantower filters available panels. You're looking for the depth of market panel, which typically shows a vertical price ladder with bid sizes on one side and ask sizes on the other. Click the DOM result to open it. A new panel will appear with price levels stacked vertically. The center column usually lists prices with buy liquidity on one side and sell liquidity on the other. If you don't see numbers changing, confirm your connection is active and the market is open. Now select a sample symbol to load into the DOM. You can do this from the instrument selector at the top of the panel. Choose an instrument you recognize so the tick size and price range make sense to you. Once selected, the DOM will populate with current market depth for that symbol. To place an order, hover your mouse over the ladder to the price level where you want to engage. The DOM highlights the row under your cursor to help you aim. Use a left click to submit your order. Clicking on the buy side places a buy at that level, and clicking on the sell side places a sell. Before clicking, glance at your quantity and order type settings, typically shown near the top or side of the panel, so you send the size and order style you intend. If your platform is set to confirm orders, a small prompt may appear. Otherwise, your order will route immediately. That's it. You've opened Quantower, accessed the DOM, selected a symbol, and placed an order directly from the ladder. Take a moment to practice hovering over different levels and observing how the highlighted row helps you aim precisely. Thanks for watching, and enjoy trading with the Quantower DOM.